Gator Pit, Texas. We have a beast being made right now. All we're doing now is getting the golf cart suspension put onto it. As you can see here, guys are working on it there. This is one badass cooker, guys. It's one of my favorites. Dual birdhouse stacks, 24 by 60, half-inch thick firebox. A lot of custom artwork on it. Stainless steel tables, brass ball valve drains. Cool wheels, man. I've got some cool wheels on this one. I picked these out. I hand pick my wheels out. Of course, it's subject to availability, but I look at what's available and I actually go and pick these out myself. I like these. These are called metal. I think metal. As far as the color, it's kind of a gray and silver a little bit in there, depending on the lighting. Pretty cool though. Anyway, that's what we're doing.